guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a really exciting video for you guys, and if you haven't guessed already by the title, it's the PatrickStarrr and MAC Spring Collection. It is such a beautiful collection, and even a non-colour lover like me was drawn to this collection. I had to have it, and now I do. And without further ado, let's go ahead into the video. So if you'd like to see the collection, the swatches, the makeup look, and how it performed on my face, just keep on watching. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and jump straight into today's look. So I've already prepped my skin. I've got the simple moisturizer on my face. I use the Oils of Life by The Body Shop, and moisturize my lips using Lady Leisha's Crispy Bacon Lip Balm. It's actually really moisturizing, you know, so thanks girl. Not that you'll be watching this, but never know. So I'm going to go ahead and use the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define to prep the lids. Because as you can see, I do have a little discoloration on those. Put this music down a little. So as I'm prepping my lids, I'm actually thinking, what shall I do with today's look? Because I have no idea. If you know me, you know that I'm not a fan of colour, like at all. You'll never see me in any colour. And if you do, it's a miracle. But I don't know, there was something about this collection that really drew me in. It could just be the fact that J. Cole turned his profile picture purple, so I was like, yeah, let's get some purple makeup. But no, there was just something about it that was just so beautiful. And obviously I'm a sucker for cute packaging, so, you know, needed to get it for the cute pics. That's the eyes prepped, so let me just set that with some powder and let's get colourful. I'm going to take this beautiful colour right here and gonna start distributing that into my crease. Kind of wish this had a mirror because I'm just naturally drawn to dab it in and then start working, but no mirror. So let me just get a mirror. Oh, and there goes that pigment. That is some good pigmentation. MAC eyeshadows are really strong anyway, but this creamy. And it's got a nice little sheen to it as well. So now that shade is down, I'm going to start taking this purple right here and start deepening up my outer corner. Oh, take that for pigmentation. And then again, going in with a clean blending brush and just softening out those edges. Okay, for someone who doesn't like colour, there's a lot of colour on my lids right now. If only my friends could see me right now. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with this dusky pink right here and start popping that onto the lid. Okay, so that's the first eyeshadow that's not giving me much pigment. As you can see, that's quite weak, so I'm going to go in with my finger and see if that's any better. Oh, yeah, look at that. That's so much better. The pigment comes out even better if you just tap and don't swipe, so that's what I'm rocking with right now. And I'm going to go back in with my brush and blend that out. I'm going to go back in with my purple brush and just blend where the dark purple and that dusky pink meet, just so that there's no harsh lines. Okay, so that's the eye look right there. I know it looks like a bit of a mess right now, but once I clean it up, get my face on, lashes, we will be good. Trust the process. So as you guys see me do my foundation all the time, I'm just going to go ahead and do it off camera. I'm going to be using the Maybelline 24 Hour Superstay Foundation alongside the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer. And once I've done my face, I'll be back to continue demoing the rest of the products. Okay guys, I am back. I have done my base. I also went ahead and bronzed and contoured just because I realized the collection doesn't actually have a bronzer. It's just a blush duo like this. So let's go ahead and apply it. Okay, so I've decided I'm just going to go in with the pink side just because I think it'll suit the eye look more. So let's do it. Oh, that's pigmented. Also very pretty. So I'm not a massive blush person anyway, but that is really, really pretty. I can't wait to use this side just because that's more of my blush colour, a bronzer. So as I was doing my face, I decided I want to do some winged liner as well. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so that's the winged liner on. So now I'm going to go back into the eyeshadow palette and go in with that one shade that I haven't used yet, this purple colour right here, and just run that along the bottom of the waterline. Now I'm going to go in with a tiny blending brush and just go in and soften those edges. Okay guys, so I went ahead and put some mascara on and highlighted. I am going to quickly highlight my inner corner using the same highlight, which is MAC's Whisper of Guilt. This is literally the most beautiful highlight ever. It's definitely my new favourite. Okay guys, so the final thing left to test is the lipstick in the shade Sweet Mama Star. Straight off the bat, it's very pigmented. It's a lot pinker than I thought it would be. So that's what it looks like. It is really pinky. If that's your vibe, beautiful, like go for it. But for me, it's a little too pink. And with lipsticks in general, I'm just not a very pinky person. So for me, I could probably skip that, but I'm going to see how it is with the lip topper, see if that helps me out a little. It's a nice nudie shade lip gloss with gold reflex. So let's pop that on top and see how that looks. Okay, so it just gives it a nice sheen. So as you can see, it doesn't do anything dramatically different to the colour. It just adds a nice sheen over the top of it, which I don't mind. I just wish it wasn't so pink. But again, if that's what you're into, you'll absolutely love it. Me, on the other hand, could probably skip the lipstick, but all of the collection has been such high quality that I'm super impressed with it. Wouldn't expect anything less from the Queen, PatrickStarrr himself. And if you know me personally, you know that I do not do colour. You'll never see me in colour, and if you do, it's probably a miracle and it's probably sunny. Any of my friends watching this right now are going to be like, Jazz, pink on the lips and purple in the eyes. You are doing the uttermost. But this is Patrick's collection, so I had to give it a fair go. And on that note, a quick shout to Kira and Yaz. If you're watching this video, you have to be proud of me. Can we just take a minute? But overall, super happy with the way this look turned out, and I am so impressed with this collection. And congratulations to PatrickStarrr on your second collab with MAC. And that's the end of the video, guys. I really appreciate you guys watching, and if you liked the video, don't forget to take a second of your day to just quickly go hit like down below and share it if you're feeling kind, and go subscribe if you haven't already. And I shall see you in the next one, guys. Bye!